Hello YouTube. As you can see here, I'm right in the middle of installing some stuff. I just removed the stock grill. Only thing I got to do is remove the cover here. It has two little tabs on each end. There are 11mm bolts on the back side here. Take those out and the whole piece will slide out. And you see here, I took the chrome strips off. I'm replacing those. And I'm going to put a front lip on here. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to clean this all up. Put the new strips in. Put my new grill in. Then I'm going to work on putting that rear lip in. I mean that bottom lip on. So let's get to it. And you can see here, I got the chrome strips on the corners put on. And I just sprayed white over it. Like I said, I'm dechroming everything. Okay, the other side, other chrome strips in, as you can see here. Just use this double-sided tape. Once I pried the old one off, sprayed about one coat on there. I'm going to spray another coat as soon as this dries, and I'll throw some clear on it. And then I'll put the front lip on. And everything's back together. Got the lip on. I took the dechromed grill a little bit and put a little black in the middle so it can have that Lincoln Mark VIII look. I think it came out pretty good. The chrome strips are white to match the body of the car. There's the grill again. There's the lip. I think it came out pretty good. Till next video.